unified standard will be the house of today's assembly. Now, Thomas to give today's talk.
Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear friends. I myself, Thomas Tamagin from class 9 G5. And I am here to present today's thought of the day. My thought of the day is, nothing will work unless you do. It means that success, progress, or positive outcome won't happen on your own. You have to put in effort to make things happen in your life. It emphasizes the personal responsibilities, hard work and initiatives. You can have a calm, dream, tools, and opportunity, but without an action and commitment, they will not lead to anything. It is reminded that you are the key to make the things happen in your life. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Thomas, for your performance. Secondly, I'd like to call on Koinam Samita to give today's speech.
A very good morning to all. A very good morning to one of the person here. Firstly, I respect the Sir Founder, Madam Principal, and all my dear friend and all my teacher. I respected my class teacher, Sir Mota, to give me this golden opportunity. I myself, Koinam Samita from class 9 G3 roll number 1. Today, I am going to deliver a very short speech about teacher. Teachers are unseen heroes, the architects of our future, and the one who guide us. Teachers are unseen heroes, the architects of our future, and the one who guide us toward success and bright to be a future, shaping us to be a future pillars of our society. They are second parents of our life. They are second parents of our life, guiding us towards good days. They can always take care of us when we were at school. Made us learn the difference between the right and the wrong. Thank you all and have a nice day.
Thank you, friends, for your performance. Thirdly, I'd like to call on Baby Raya to conduct today's speech.
Very good morning, everyone. To my respected founder, teachers, and the students of class 9. I myself, Baby Raya Kawafi of class 9 G5. Today I would like to conduct a quiz program. So my first question is, name the rainiest place located in the world. I repeat my question again. Name the rainiest place located in the world. Yes, that's right, Moshiram in Meghalaya. So my second question is, name the tallest statue in the world. I repeat my question again, name the tallest statue in the world. Yes, that's right, Statue of Unity. So my third question is, in which year Nolan Ruska invented electron microscope? I repeat my question again, in which year Nolan Ruska invented electric microscope? The correct answer is 1932. So my fourth question is, name the biggest wall of the world. I repeat my question again, name the biggest wall in the world. Yes, that's right, Great Wall of China. So my fifth and last question is, when is World Health Day celebrated? I repeat my question again, when is Health Day celebrated in the world? Wrong. 7 April. Thank you.
Thank you, Baby Roya. Lastly but not least, I'd like to call out Araja to conduct today's quiz again.
So my first question is, who is the present governor of Manipur? Yes, that's the correct answer. Now my second question is, who was the first woman Olympian of Manipur? I repeat my question again. Who was the first woman Olympian of Manipur? That's wrong. The correct answer is Lauren Bam Brodesori Devi. She is a judo player. Now my third question is, who was the first Arjuna awardee from Manipur? I repeat my question again. Who was the first Arjuna awardee from Manipur? The correct answer is Namarakam Kunjarani Devi in weightlifting. Now my fourth question is, what was the first Manipuri film to get national award? I repeat my question again. What was the first Manipuri film to get national award? The correct answer is Matamgi, Manipur in 1972. Now my fifth question and the last question is, what was the name of Nobel wrote by M.K. Binodini in 1979 that got her the Sahitya Academy Award? Yes, that's the correct answer.
Thank you everyone for your precious time and have a good day ahead.
Class 9, Sadhan, this, Sadhan, this. Okay, so today, how are you feeling? Are you feeling happy? See, I couldn't remember here. Could you grace, share about, I couldn't share the grace, and I couldn't share about to judge the issue, Makapu. I couldn't see, I couldn't not hear about, I couldn't get some idea about, I canano, I carino, Hanabagi, set up a set up with a came of a woman. What kind of Numai about how we live? Well, Sida, I have a Manang, one, I don't have this here. I'm going to solve it, I'm going to have it coffee. I'm not going to take it. I can't get no Then they go, she comes in now, I know, I buy who's in the conservative way. Quick, come over here. I cannot have a share, Masan, come home to. I cannot have a Matunga, I know, I will see the not regularly, a quick and uncontrollably to division the decision. Gammon father, along with that. Possible, the way, yes, and I, Silakana, Mama, Nokana, Nuano, was it Yantara, Yantaiko, and the young Pazona, equipment for my day, what Pazabase, I don't have them. Equity, young man, Marina, nothing. Equity, young man was here. Longer in the yard. Oh, Madurani, I put Manipurda, I sing again, Hedik over the way, General. Hedik is Sunaiba. Sunaiba is singing to the Polio and another Macalamanico, Polio, not the without, what put this when I report on the scene said, Later you must solve the Salava. Comparing with the Indian Amazon of the air, solve the Salva the Malaysia, solve this when I was 6 minutes. Adegi, Makoida, kaya tara leprosi laina si makala maniko leprosi nataba ko pade kogi yek masen longlo budagi moi masen si kaya tara leprosi na masen makoi sana basen yamna ko dahilade yang kaya wali ko maniko di sen ka tadi yang mudai panne moi sabdi ko man ko moi di mamuga moi masi masasi da longlo budagi yung pan budagi Maduri Yamna, Maluda Moida, Makata generation does when I am Blawi, equipment Pudi, Yet, Tinarudi, Yomoya, the Yumandia, the Pedoku, Kibuna, equipment Puyu, Makon Dunapu, Segmatanga, when I focus when I was there. Yogundi. So in the case that we test with the Matolico, to be younger, you say, if I put a Timbiramba, Mazulu. Scientific knowledge later local computer mother local company fundamental fundamental seleriba community since you respect to kanana governor kanana maiteno have a kenaba tomo maitaisu actually yamusiba to jati yana the governors maiteni samane then plus the Muslim yalba sisa to Manipuri Muslim ko kung tumanba amo ibobe Mokoi se koi sak mane koi musi na lagi ba musi tina ba dharma mana dharma mu respect to watam dilo dharma mana dharma mu usitam taragadi dharma do support to dharma then देखो aduna Thursday khudingi koi sogojan khudingi koi naat ko ba koi phijol se sela laksi ye देखो lei to ba muna mathal lei matamdi smile to koi lei bani dumba koi khudai sunya salai therapy masubun phangmaneba mangani na anang phamadum selo biskai ado kharamani yellow color sakhi hai ado masi yema to medi kaitare masi ni misi colorful wanjiga masuga obe kana de colorful obe kana anu museli kana anu museli kana anang museli ko kana higo museli anu makan le bisya musim mai ko de blue museli ye dekho swayam mai ko anu life show masih haron mai tamban ko wakil mereka di live tamdan mereka kalau mereka ada di sana semua mereka orang itu lepas kita silakan itu timbiru ada itu orang yang timbiru ada itu Muslim orang Muslim sana biru boleh dress lah, kau muka respect tu, Muslim yang mana musibah itu musibah.